Hey, it's T here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a cornrow. We're using the Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control to get this part nice and neat. This is my mannequin, Tiana, and I'm going to use her to help you guys cornrow today. I'm so excited. I realize that there are a lot of people who do not know how to cornrow, and I am here to help. So this is very beginner friendly. I was actually able to teach my daughter how to do regular braids. She can't quite cornrow yet, but hopefully this will help her as well. So come on for the journey. We're basically going to split the hair into 3 pieces. I'm applying some edge control to each piece so that we can get more of a defined look. And then I'm going to go ahead and begin to cross the hair over. This part I can show you better than I can tell you. So I'm going to go ahead and just allow you to watch my fingers, grab you a mannequin, grab you a doll, whatever you got to do so that you can learn this process, rewind it as much as you need to, slow it down. And this part I've actually did in real time for you so you can learn. But yeah, stay tuned so you can learn how to cornrow. All right, so by now, hopefully you've got the gist of it. I'm pretty much just adding a little product here as I go. And once we get down to the end, I actually switch from over braiding to under braiding. So watch carefully. I am beginning to use my thumb as the primary guidance for the hair and just pushing the hair behind each other. And that way I can come up with a clean finish for this braid. This has actually been sped up, but I can braid pretty fast. And the more practice, the better. I've been braiding since I was a little girl. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned how to cornrow. Please comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Hey, I'm Tiarreab, and I am out. Bye.